So now we have our particle source geometry object. I'm going to select that. I'm going to go up to our particles tab on our shelf and click on source particle emitter. And this is a good thing to be reminded of too. You see that since our playhead wasn't at the beginning of our scene, it's actually simulating up to where our playhead was. So it's another good thing to remember to rewind to the beginning when you're doing this. So let's rewind to the back. I'm going to hit the U key to get out of this auto dot network. And just like we did before, we're going to reorganize this because we have some auto named and created objects, and we want to rein those in to our layout and nomenclature. So I'm going to bring the source particles down here in the auto dot network here. Just like we did before, I'm going to call the source particles actually particle results, and the auto dot network will be particle sim. I'm going to bring up my colors. I'm going to make the particle results a light yellow, or it's actually this orange, and then this particle sim is going to be purple. Okay, so now we have actually created the simulation, and we have renamed and organized our objects. And just like before, if I go into this particle sim, let's frame this up and I play this back, we're not going to actually be able to see anything yet, because what we need to do, rewind, go to our particle source node, hit the P key, and we need to make sure that this is set to all points because we aren't using a scatter on surfaces style. We're setting up our points manually beforehand. So now if I hit play, now we've got our particles emitting, and there's some default gravity in there and everything. So we're going to tweak this quite a bit to get this working the way we want. But now we can see we've got everything set up to get our particles emitting from the points that we want off the trail edges of our wings. So next up, we're going to start to tweak this particle simulation to have the movement that we actually want.